All right, we learned about how to use the Loft command to blend a square to a circle, to create cylinders, and to create this bulge like in the middle of this cylinder. Another use of the Loft command is to twist a shape. So, for example, let's make a box here. Let's make a square, 3 by 3, and then we want to copy the square, maybe 4 units above, so 4. And I want the top of this to become like 45 degrees. So I'm gonna 3D rotate, and I wanna rotate on the blue ring, and then I want that to be 45 degrees. Okay, so we're gonna type in 45. There you go. And um, if I wanted to look at the top view of this one, I can just click top and look at the square. Okay, the bottom is the top and the bottom are 45 degrees. So to go back to our isometric, okay, if I want this to twist, I could simply type loft right now and then select this one and the top one and then press enter twice and it would twist itself. Okay, but sometimes there's a problem of which side you want it to twist to. Okay, so if it's a square, is an easy twist. Okay, but if you have, let's say, a rectangle, so let's say we do a rectangle here and it's a 2 by 4. Okay, and we want this rectangle to be to copy again into like 4. Okay, and we want this to rotate, 3D rotate the ring another 45. Okay, and then let's do a loft command and select this and that one, press enter. Okay, and so this one, oops, let's just select here and then go here. So this one didn't go well because it connected the long side with the short side. Okay, so if I would um, undo. So the short side and the short side should be the one connected. Okay, but it didn't because yeah, the loft command, when you select two objects, will connect the two closest sides that are found on top of each other. In this case, it's the long and the short sides are closest to each other. So if you want to have a full control on how the loft would twist your shape, okay, let's do a rectangle again, 2 comma 4, and let's make a copy. And we want this to be 4 over here. You may want to make multiple copies of this one at like maybe one intervals of 1, 2, 3, and then you got your 4. And then if you want to be 45 degrees, you can rotate each one. Actually, you just need to rotate the middle one, okay, uh, at the at the middle between 45 degrees and 0. So let's do a 3D rotate. The top one, we want it to rotate 45 degrees, okay? And this middle one, we want that one to rotate, middle ring, 22 degrees. So 22.5 degrees or 45. Here you go. Okay. We actually don't need this 2 here. We're going to delete that. Okay. So if so you can orbit using by pressing the top and holding it down. I don't know if you could do it with holding it down, and then yeah, you could do that on your trackpad. Okay. You just have to use 2 fingers. Okay. Anyway, we have here our rectangle, and I rotated that one 45 degrees on top, and the middle between 0 and 45 is 22.5. Now I use loft command, and then I select this one, and that one, and then press enter. So twice, and now you have a better control of the short side should be connected to the short side, whereas here, when you have too much of a gap and a too much angle in between, Loft will not follow your intended twisting. So make sure that you always um, connect them by defining a middle shape. Here in this case, what we did was we defined a middle shape between the bottom and the top. And when we did the loft command, it tried to follow the middle shape before going to the top final shape. Okay, so that's how you can use the loft command to twist an object instead of just blending or creating a bulge. You can also do a twist, but just make sure that you define the middle shape so that the loft command will follow what your twist should go.